Once the burning season has ended, most people just forget about their fires until the next time they want to use them. But actually, it's better if you get your chimney swept right at the end of the burning season, and here's why. Firstly, it can actually help prolong the life of your flue. Soot is very acidic, and that soot in the chimney will over time corrode the flue, whether it's masonry or stainless steel. So sweeping it off after you've finished using it for the season ensures that that soot is up there for a minimal amount of time. And speaking of time, usually chimney sweeps have really long waiting lists once you get into the burning season. Getting it done in April, May, June, July is better because you actually have shorter waiting times. Sweeping can also identify problems early. Sweeps can see what soot is falling down the flue, so they know exactly how you're burning, and most professional chimney sweeps will give you good hints and tips on how to tweak your burning practices to ensure that you're burning as safely as possible. Spring and summer is also great because it means much better weather, and that means that you can actually get outside and get repairs done to chimney stacks. Over the years, chimneys do get wear and tear, and so spring and summer is a brilliant time to get them sorted.